In today's video, I'm going to teach you about navigating through QuickBooks and effectively managing your expenses. We'll focus specifically on dealing with supplier payments, ensuring your accounting records stay neat and organized. Let's dive right in. First things first, we begin by heading over to QuickBooks. If you're not familiar, QuickBooks is an accounting software package developed and marketed by Intuit. It offers on-premises accounting applications as well as cloud-based versions. When you navigate to the QuickBooks homepage, you'll see a variety of options that allow you to manage different aspects of your business finances effectively. Your first task here is to locate the Expenses section. This is crucial as it consolidates all your business's outgoings in one central hub, enabling you to monitor and manage costs more efficiently. Click on Expenses, and you'll be brought to a new screen where you can oversee all of your previous expenses. This view is incredibly useful for reviewing past transactions, categorizing costs, and identifying any areas where your business might be overspending. Within this section, there's a tab titled Suppliers. This is where you'll want to click next. The Suppliers page is designed to give you a clear picture of the vendors your business interacts with. It logs all interactions and transactions, making it easy to follow up on payments and manage any outstanding invoices. Once you're in the Suppliers section, the next step is to identify the specific supplier you need to make a payment to. After selecting the supplier, look for the option labeled Make Payment. Clicking here will lead you to the payment portal where you can fill in the necessary details associated with the transaction. Here, understanding the payment terms set by your suppliers can help maintain a good relationship and avoid any late fees. It's essential to double-check the payment information you've entered. Mistakes can lead to accounting discrepancies, which can be a hassle to correct later on. Once you're confident everything is accurate, you'll want to proceed by clicking on Save and Close. This ensures that the payment is recorded in QuickBooks, updating all related reports and balances. Each of these steps ensures that you keep track of your expense management accurately, allowing for strategic financial planning and more efficient bookkeeping. Not only does this assist in day-to-day operations, but it also provides valuable insights into your company's spending habits and supplier relationships. And there you have it. With these straightforward steps, you can easily manage your suppliers and payments using QuickBooks, streamlining your accounting process, and keeping your financial records up to date. Thank you for joining me today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tips on managing your business finances. Until next time, keep your finances in check and happy bookkeeping.